Since we had to open up the hydraulic system for the brakes to get the cab off, and we're upgrading the actual physical components of our brake system right now, this is a perfect time to upgrade the flex lines. Now, at the back and the front, we're going to be installing these Crown Performance lines. I had them basically send me a factory replacement line, so it comes with a new banjo fitting and then a new inverted flare fitting at the back, so we'll just install these. The nice thing about the Crown Performance lines is they are incredibly strong because of their multi-layered construction. The good thing is you can get them in many different colors, but honestly, one of the best things is the fact that they have many different end options to fit any OE or aftermarket application, and they are all one-piece ends. There's a lot of companies out there making brake lines where they will basically, sell you this little banjo fitting that fits on the caliper, and then there's a small little AN nut at the end that you'd screw the brake line into. Well, that's a point where the brake system can leak. Anytime you can eliminate that type of fitting, it just makes the brake system more secure and safer. So the Crown Performance having all these options of one-piece ends just makes them one of the best in the business.